Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. We move on to Boolean logic, that is chapter 3 in class 11 CBSE. The subtopics that are going to be dealt in this video are binary decision, truth table, basic logic gates and evaluating expressions using truth table. What is a binary decision? The decision that results into either yes or true or no or false are called binary decisions. The values that can store either true or false are called truth values. Usually in computers, 1 represents true and 0 represents false. Let's see what is tautology and fallacy. Tautology is nothing but if the result of any logical expression is always true, it is called tautology. If the result of any logical statement or expression is always false, it is called fallacy. What is a truth table? A table that has all the possible values of a logical variable along with all the possible results of the combination of values are called as truth table. For two variables, say x and y, what are the possible combinations? Let us see. There are 4 possible combinations. How? As for two variables, the possibility are 2 power 2, that is 4. So let us see what are the combinations. The combinations possible are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then what if 3 variables are given? So obviously the number of combinations will be 2 power 3, that is 8 combinations. So let's see what are the combinations. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So these are the possible combinations. So we can generalize this. For n input variables, the number of combinations will be 2 power n. Let's move on to basic logic gates. So what are the basic logic gates? NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Let us see one by one in detail. NOT gate. NOT gate, it usually operates on a single variable. The operation performed is called complementation. Complement is represented using a bar. It is also called as an inverter. So if the given value is 0, 0 bar, it will give you 1. If the given value is 1, 1 bar, it will give you 0. So let us move on to the truth table of NOT gate. Suppose my input is 0, I get the output 1. If my input is 1, I get the output 0. So the symbol for NOT gate is this is the symbol for NOT gate. Suppose my input is x, my output is x bar. Next, OR gate. OR gate requires minimum 2 variables as input. It gives you the result true even if one of the input values is true. The operation performed by OR gate is called logical addition. The symbol used is plus. So when we read these statements, we have to read 0 or 0 equal to 0, 0 or 1 equal to 1, 1 or 0 equal to 1, 1 or 1 equal to 1. Let's move on to the truth table of OR gate. So let's see the combination for two variables. You know the combinations already for two variables 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So what will be the output R? Both values are 0, so you get the output 0. Here one value is 1, so you get the output 1. Here also output 1. Here also output is 1. Now let's move on to three variables. we already know the combinations 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So the output is very easy. If all the inputs are 0, simply have the output 0. Even if one of the input is 1, you get the output 1. So remaining all rows have the output 1. So that is OR gate. So now we shall draw the symbol of OR gate. OR gate is very simple. Minimum it needs 2 inputs. So let me take the input as A, B. So I get the output A or B. That's it. Next we move on to AND gate. AND gate also requires minimum 2 variables as input. It gives false even if one of the input values is false, that is 0. The operation performed is called logical multiplication. The symbol used is dot. So we shall read the rules now. 0.0 equal to 0, 0 and 1 equal to 0, 1 and 0 equal to 0, 1 and 1 equal to 1. Let's move on to the truth table. First we see for 2 variables. You know the combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So even if one of the inputs is 0, obviously the output is 0. So here 0, 0, 0. For this we get the output 1. So let's see for 3 variables. First we shall write the combinations 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So follow the same rule. So we get the output here as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here we get the output 1. So let's draw the symbol of AND gate now. It has one output. Minimum it needs 2 inputs. So let me take the input as A, B. So I get the output as A and B. So with these operations, we can move on to evaluate some expressions using truth table. See the first expression here, A dot B the whole bar plus C. So how many variables are there in the expression? There are 3 variables. So obviously we have to write all the 8 combinations of the 3 variables. So same 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So now we have to calculate A dot B. So that is A and B. We know the rule of AND. Even if one input is 0, the output will be 0. So just concentrate on A column and B column. You can easily say the answer here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So now we have to take the complement of this A dot B column. That is what? A dot B the whole bar. So here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. The last column is A dot B the whole bar. That is we have to OR A dot B with C. So just concentrate on the column C and this A dot B the whole bar. So according to OR operation, even if one input is 1, we get the output 1. So here the output will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So that's it. Let's have another example here. First, see the expression. Only two variables are used here, x and y. So we need to draw a truth table for two variable combination. So you know already the combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. The first column is x or y. So 0, 1, 1, 1. So we have to AND this x or y column with x column. So 0, 0, 1, 1. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you all of you.